welcome to my YouTube channel. My name's Luca. Today we're gonna cut some stuff with this knife. I like all the fruits and veggies on there. See them? And also, if you're a kid, you might want to be careful with knives. Especially this one is built for protection. Your fingers go here, and once you cut, it blocks your fingers from getting cut. Let me move the box so you guys can see. Step 1, open it. Step 2, put this part on your finger. Step 3, put it on like this. And step 4, cut and move like a machine. Yeah, and also, if you're a kid, you have to ask an adult. My mom found this knife at Amazon. Today, we're gonna be trying some star fruit and some dragon fruit. Okay? The first one we're gonna try is dragon fruit. I really like that it's pink on the outside. Yeah, it's because pink is my second favorite color if you didn't know. My first favorite color is red. Pink is red plus white. Yeah. This is red. And guys, before I cut these dragon fruits, watch this video about dragon fruits.
Dragon fruit, also known as pitaya. Bright colors. Dragon fruit comes in vibrant colors like pink, yellow, and even red on the outside, with either white, pink, or red flesh inside dotted with tiny black seeds. Dragon-like skin. The fruit gets its name because of its spiky, scaly skin that looks like dragon scales. Super cool for kids with big imaginations. Cactus fruit. Dragon fruit grows on a cactus plant. It's a type of climbing cactus that blooms at night with large, beautiful flowers. Super hydrating. Dragon fruit is made up of about 90% water, making it a refreshing and hydrating snack. Sweet and mild. The flavor of dragon fruit is mildly sweet, sometimes compared to a cross between a kiwi and a pear, making it a tasty treat for picky eaters. Packed with nutrients. Dragon fruit is rich in vitamin C, antioxidants, and fiber, helping to keep your body strong and healthy. Tiny black seeds. Those little black seeds inside are edible and full of healthy fats and protein, similar to chia seeds. Flower power. The cactus that dragon fruit grows on produces beautiful, large white flowers that only bloom for one night. They are called moonflowers. Space fruit. Because of its unusual appearance, dragon fruit looks like something from outer space, perfect for kids who love space and science fiction. Super easy to eat. Just slice it in half, scoop out the flesh, and eat it with a spoon. You can even cut it into fun shapes with cookie cutters for a cool snack. Dragon fruit seem like a magical or mysterious fruit that kids would be excited to try.
Okay guys, let's cut the dragon fruit. And guys, be careful with knives if a grown-up is not around. This is how you use this kind of knife with a lid. You place it like this, hold the knife, and it's for not chopping your fingers. Ooh, look at that juicy insides. I don't want to eat it away. Okay, let's keep slicing it, but careful. Ooh, that's a big slice. This one's a hard slice. And it's a perfect one too. Keep slicing. This is the insides. Yeah. Let's cut in half. This is how you normally cut it. Then peel it with your hand. Ooh. That's satisfying. Okay, let's try a piece. It's a little bit crunchy, but super juicy. I love it. It doesn't have a strong flavor, but it's super fresh and nice, which I love. Let's put the extras over here. Lifting this up. Let's eat the rest of it. Okay. Okay. Hold on, guys. I have to clean my knife. Now it's shiny clean. Can you see your reflection? Okay. Let's put this here. Oh, trash. Okay. Next up, star fruit. Before we cut the star fruit too, here's a little video about them to learn more.
Star fruit. Star shape. When you slice a star fruit crosswise, it looks like a perfect star, which is where it gets its name. Tropical treat. Star fruit is native to Southeast Asia, but it's grown in many tropical regions, including India, the Philippines, and the Caribbean. Sweet and sour. The taste of star fruit can vary from sweet to slightly sour, depending on its ripeness. The yellow ones are usually sweeter, while green ones are more tart. Full of vitamins. Star fruit is a great source of vitamin C, which helps boost your immune system and keep you healthy. Low-calorie snack. It's low in calories but high in fiber, making it a great snack for kids and adults alike. All edible. You can eat the whole star fruit, including the skin. Just rinse it, slice it, and enjoy. Hydrating. Star fruit has a high water content, which helps keep you hydrated on hot days. Superstar for health. In addition to vitamin C, star fruit contains antioxidants that help protect your cells and keep you strong. Ancient use. In traditional Chinese medicine, star fruit was used to treat coughs and fevers. Fun fact: some people use star fruit slices as decorations for drinks or desserts because they look so pretty.
Hi guys, welcome back. Now we're going to try the star fruit the other way around. Let's try the big yellow juicy one, okay? This is why they call it a star fruit. It looks like a star when you cut it. See? Oh yeah. Oh yeah, boy. There's all the star fruits I'll possibly want. It's one big star fruit. It's blooded. That's a lot. Okay. Let me just cut this one in half because that's a lot. Okay. Let's try. Be careful, there's some seeds in milk usually. Just like this. It was in the one that I was about to try. See it? Okay. has a very strong taste. It's super sweet. I love it. I'll give it a 10 out of 10. Both of them are 10 out of 10 and they're both my favorite fruit. I cannot stop giving them a 10 out of 10. You should try new fruits. It might actually turn out pretty sweet or pretty sour or in the middle. It's very good to be adventurous with food and try something new from all over the world. You might be surprised what you find. Yeah, this is why they call it a star fruit. It looks just like a star. The shape of a star. Yeah. Make sure you ask the grown-up. Do not use a knife by itself or you will cut your finger. Yeah, that really hurts. So guys, thank you for watching. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video. Bye.